And they're off. And the lead is taken by Yes Pogi from the outside. Gastambide, Darleb moving up on the farther outside, and Carriedo. And down the stretch for the first time, Gastambide and Yes Pogi in between horses. Darleb on the outside, and Carriedo is running in fourth. And passing before the judges stand, it's Yes Pogi in between horses. Darleb on the outside, and by the rear, Gastambide, Carriedo. As they leave the straight, Gastambide in the lead, followed by Yes Pogi on the outside. Darleb remains in third by 2.5 lengths, and Carriedo. Into the back stretch, it's still Gastambide by the rail, followed by Yes Pogi on the outside, and Darleb running in third by 4.5 lengths, and Carriedo is moving up. The mid-back stretch, it's still Yes Pogi on the outside, Gastambide by the rail, and Darleb remains in third, Carriedo. Nearing the far turn, Yes Pogi and Gastambide fighting it out for the lead. It is still Yes Pogi on the outside, Gastambide by the rail, and Darleb remains in third by 3.5 lengths, Carriedo. Rounding the far turn, it is still Yes Pogi, lengthening now by 2.5 lengths, followed by Gastambide, and Darleb closing in third, Carriedo. But it's still the outstanding favorite, Yes Pogi, leading the field by 3.5 lengths. Gastambide remains in second, and Darleb running in third, Carriedo. The last bend for home, it is still Yes Pogi, lengthening now by 4.5 lengths, and Gastambide, Darleb on the outside, Carriedo. At the top of the stretch, Yes Pogi, Gastambide, Darleb, Carriedo is bringing up the rear. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still the outstanding favorite, Yes Pogi, now pulling away. And finally, that handsome horse, Yes Pogi, winning the classic race, followed by Gastambide, Darleb, and Carriedo.
Beer Maro Club Classics 2,000 meters. Hindi ko lang masyadong alam kung hindi pa verified yung ating preba kung record. But anyway, before anything else, we would like to introduce our guests and the people involved with Marho for this successful staging of the 16th edition of the Maro Maro Cup races. First of all, the chairman of Marho, Mayor Sandy Javier. Let's give it up for Mayor Sandy. Cons Makasi's job. Let's give it up for him. Mr. Butch Mamon. Yan ang mga nagtatrabaho sa Maro na talagang masisipag. And of course, Kong Jesse Bong Lapus. And, syempre, Mr. Vic Gobon. And Mr. Robert Ramirez. Teka muna. Mga ladies natin, banggitin ko na. Miss Tina Wells, Miss Mika Atanasio, Miss Queenie Unarce, Miss Samantha Di Malanta, Miss Alessandra Carlos, Miss Sarah Antonio, Miss Catherine Bautista, and of course, Miss Bianca Bauer. Thank you so much, ladies. And to receive the award on behalf of Mr. Francis Lim, Mr. Luis Ong. Thank you so much and congratulations. Mr. Luis Ong for Mr. Francis Lim. Yes, Pogi, winning the classic. Congratulations. We will have to verify on the time of the race. Kasi sabi ni Bitoy, it's 2:04. Anyway, we will confirm that later on. All right, congratulations. And of course, going to the trainer, Mr. Felix Lauron. Let's give it up for Mr. Felix Lauron. A job well done on training. Yes, Pogi. Congratulations, Felix. At syempre pa. Heto na. The rider of Yes Pogi, Jackie Manolito Butchoy Dakis. Let's give it up for him. Hindi na inawat ni Butchoy. Talagang nasa harapan na kagad si Yes Pogi. The San Miguel Beer, 6 lengths pa nanalo si Yes Pogi in this San Miguel Beer Maro Cup Classics. Congratulations, Choy. Para malalim ang bulsa ni Butchoy, malalim. At syempre, hindi pwedeng walang yung breeder dito. Mr. Hermie Esguerra is the breeder of Yes Pogi, and to receive the trophy her on behalf of Mr. Hermie Esguerra, let's call on Mr. Jack Santos. Jack, congratulations. All right. Four-year-old, Yes Pogi. Ang galing pa rin hanggang ngayon. All right, let's have a group picture. And before, we would like to thank the ladies for this occasion, the Marho 16th edition